everyone, I'm Stuart. Welcome to Learn Grammar with Stuart. Let's look at today's key phrase. This is his greatest achievement. Let's break it down. Today's skill is making superlatives personal. We usually use superlative adjectives to express the extreme or the highest degree of a quality, pretty much a number one. For example, this is the best idea. However, we can use possessive adjectives when we want to express that the extreme is only limited to one person or one thing. For example, expressing someone's best lap time. We could say, this is her fastest lap time. Common possessive adjectives include my, your, his, her, our, their, its. For example, this is his best idea. Here is the Japanese. Please pause if you would like to read. Let's have a look at the structure. This is his greatest achievement. So we use a possessive adjective, his, then we use our superlative adjective, greatest, followed by a noun, achievement. His greatest achievement. Let's look at some examples. We looked at their newest items. Their cheapest items were still very expensive. He sang his most popular song. She recorded her best time. That was their worst idea. It was our nicest option. Okay, thank you very much for watching today's class. If you'd like to practice the grammar, please leave an example in the comments below. Bye.